I know what's on your mind saying this, but no, this is not moimoi. This is called jogi. Aside using egusi for soups, jogi or alapa is one Yoruba dish that's made almost like moimoi but includes egusi in its preparation. To make this, I toasted 1.5 cups of egusi. Toasting the melon seeds gives jogi a really nice nutty flavor. I'll list the ingredients in the description box so you can refer to them. Once the egusi is nicely toasted, set it aside. Now in a blender, I'm going to add already peeled beans. That's 2 cups. I'm going to also add the toasted melon seeds, followed by rodo, that's red scotch bonnet peppers, tatashe, red bell peppers, onions, crayfish, of course, and water. I used about 1.5 cups of water to blend this. Rock power blender will blend this smooth. If you know jogi or alapa, please let me know in the comments and tell me when last you ate it. Now done with blending, I'll transfer to a bowl. And when that's done, I'll add stock cubes and salt. There's no need to add oil to this since egusi is oily. And you'll see how easily it will come off the leaves even without any oil. I rinsed out the blender with a little water into this paste so I can loosen it up a bit. You can mix your proteins in the paste. I prefer to add as I wrap because I won't be putting fish in some of them. Someone in my house doesn't like it. Once I was done mixing, I wrapped in leaves just like we do for moimoi. Make sure to start with a little water and top it up as you go. I cooked on medium heat for 40 minutes. If you like this recipe and it reminds you of old times, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know if you'll be trying it. The ingredients are accessible, so I don't see why you should not make this soon. 40 minutes later, jogi is ready and looking so good. This alapa is so delicious. I could not wait to dig in. I enjoyed mine with some obefo immediately. It can be eaten with a kogbono or a kotutu. You can even pair it with gari if you want. In case you're seeing this for the first time and wondering what does it taste like, it tastes a little like moimoi but with bursts of flavor from the toasted melon seeds. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe if you have not so you can see more recipes like this. I will see you soon with another amazing recipe.